Do not ever give up. Be resilient, be courageous, be as bold as you can. Do what your heart says. Go for the passion. Hi, I'm Falguni. I come from India. I'm here to represent Cognity. Cognity is reimagining inclusive education by combining the power of AI with human expertise. And before I, explain to you what that means, I just want to start with why, because this is a very deep and personal problem to me. I am neurodivergent. I have ADHD and autism, and I grew up thinking that I did not belong, and learning was always harder for me than others. But that was not until I got my ADHD diagnosis and I finally had the answers to all my questions. That is why I started my project, Cognity, which is an AI plus human improv platform that caters to institutions that serve children with intellectual disabilities like ADHD, dyslexia, autism, and neurodevelopmental disorder. We primarily work with governments and institutions all across India to equip public schools as well as private schools with the support and resources that they need. We also work with governments to inform them better on policy and where to allocate budgets for inclusive education in order to better support educators and children. The Women Entrepreneurs for Good program was something that we came across like 6-7 months back, and it seemed like the perfect opportunity to have a global audience, to have this global stage to represent what we are doing. The journey has been great. We've connected with so many interesting people, such talented mentors and experts. I think the most important part is meeting other women who are solving different problems, working on their passion, empowering other women as well to come out, talk. So it's very interesting to be among such group of individuals, and to be able to share your story and have people in the audience that relate to you, that understand you. It's absolutely incredible. And coming from a country like India, from a tier 2 town, it is an incredible opportunity, not just for the venture that I'm representing, but even personally as a woman, to go onto a global stage, meeting people. It's been an incredible learning experience for me. Being a woman, you of course face bias from the industry, especially being a neurodivergent founder. You're often judged and you're often expected to present yourself a certain way, and there's one thing about getting funding. Of course, we all know that women are less likely to get funded as compared to their male counterparts, and especially when you build in an impact sector, because you're expected to be more nurturing as a woman, more selfless, and not care more about building a business or building profits for it. So my advice to any woman, any girl who has aspirations, who has dreams, who wants to work as an entrepreneur, do what your heart says, go for the passion, and be as bold as you can be, because the world doesn't care. You have to go and make your space. And until you raise your voice, people are going to ignore you.